Hi everyone, here is a very interesting video. So I wanna install one thing. Now we're doing different things. So I will explain you what's going on. So here is the tiles, and all this place was laminated floor. Here is few rooms. One room here, one room there. Floor never. Guys who installed this floor never did preparation, just installed it. And whole floor was, locks, laminate floor locks was broken. And I'm just guessing what's going on. Main goal for customers, he wants to remove this tile, install, without transition whole this place, and laminate floor also on this kitchen area. So when I remove everything and have a look on it, you see here is like bowl, big. You see, big up. So that side higher and that side higher. This is lower. And when I take this, took the straight edge and bring it right here, close to the tile, it's almost same story. There is the gap, half inch. So and this side sloping down. And what I wanna do, I wanna make it this floor flat with tile, keep this tile on this place, because you see, if I level all this part and then just stop by this tiles, come to this side, here is higher, this is so much higher, and so when I come by this point, whole floor will be leveled with same height like this tile, because higher, lower and lower here. So I will show you with laser. I found already space here. You see, it's exactly laser line on the edge, and so if I put straight edge right here, like right there, you see. So now line exactly on the bottom of straight edge. You see how much self-leveling compound I have to put here? A lot. No, it's just this big area. So here is, I have to stop by this green point. You see, this is showing me this is the high. Maybe later I will grind a little bit, and then we're going right here. You see, there's a tile, and this is the high point. I guess it's like this, and here you see, I have to stop on the doorway. Here, it's like something like this. You see, this line, something like this, and I want to install foam all the way, because floor sloping this side, just somewhere till here, till this line, and then start leveling. So very easy to do it. So I wanna install tripods, put primer, install tripods, and just level with height. When I install here, match this tiles. Okay. Wow, I just wondering how the people installing flooring, I already installed underlay on this side, which is sloping down with staples. Now I wanna put silicone on the bottom to avoid leaks. Here is the higher, you see, this line. I would come by this line and already primer everywhere. And when I mark the line, I put primer a little bit over, because sometimes self-leveling compound can spread over, you see. And this is the same story. Line and primer. So primer, now I have to wait when it's dry. But here is one more issue. If you have a look under the heaters, there is a big gap. So I'm just guessing how to fill up, because if I leave it as it is, it holds the way under. You see, a lot of self-leveling compound can go in this gap, and you know, I can just lost material. So I would maybe I just open one tube of silicone and just put it right there. Here I already set up tripods. You see, laser match it with height of the tiles, and which you see exactly on the bottom of the tripods. Right here. Here is not much. You see, here is a lot, and here a lot. And then here will be trouble a little bit, because when I come to the make it flush with tile, but this, because you know, foundation going up, tile guys install tiles up, and later when I finish this leveling, I have to make here a small ramp when I finish leveling, for example Monday, and then it will be slightly going up. So need to think how to do it. So here is tripod also. I installed 12 tripods here. So now I want to start leveling. You asked about painting. It was, you know, already 20 maybe more years ago, and when I check, all floor is rough, and when I put primer, so I always checking, is it primer absorbing to the concrete or not. When I check it, it's very easy to absorb, doing absorption to the concrete, so it means will be very good bonding, and I'm not grinding it. So I want to leave as it is. Also, you can have a look. I put silicone on the bottom everywhere, fill up the gap, avoid leaks. So don't forget about, sometimes, you know, 1 or 2 bags can leak down to the ground. 1 bucket of water, you see, full bucket. It's for 3 bags. Okay. Okay. You see, I just fill up this plate, just fill up till this plate, right there, same. And also I have line from one side, and here you see another one. So I follow these lines and follow tripod. Very easy. You see, I just finished leveling 14 bags here. One side you see this high and close to the wall also high, and I level it by that point what I showed before. So this fried tiles edge need to grind also. Next week I will do more preparation and finish installation. You see here is the result. Sometimes need to check the level and you need to spend so much time to remove it tiles. Just level it.